So in this video, we are going to discuss the process of decision making in terms of program control and program flow. So one of the foundational ideas in computer programming decision making is the idea of a condition. So a condition is an expression. We've looked at various examples of expressions, but this is an expression that evaluates to true or false. So it's basically a logical statement that we are going to learn how to write so that we can make decisions in our program and ultimately control how our application flows through the logic and makes decisions with these true or false values. So the first thing we have to look at there are two types of operators that we use to form conditions, right? An equality and relational, right? And so equality operators are things like, are they equal or not equal? In C#, we use the double equal sign for equal, and for not equal, we use an exclamation point equal. So when we're writing true or false statements based on equality, we can say, are two values equal, or is a value equal to a static value, like is this variable equal to 5, or is it not equal to 5? In relational operators are things like greater than, less than, and then of course greater than equal to or less than equal to. In C#, we have the greater than and the less than, and then we have the greater than equal to or the less than equal to. So in this section, we will be looking at how to use equality and relational operators to build true or false conditions, and we'll start to look at some of the statements that we use in C# to make these decisions.